learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with that? 可以帮我这一下吗？可以帮我那一下吗？就是这个月的主题。
OK。
对，我们要寻求别人的帮忙。Alice 今天要帮大家一下，怎么说？可以帮我一下吗？
做地老矮，天数一下么
That's how you say, can you help me in Hakka? 做地老矮，天数一下么？
做地，
做地。就是可以的意思 right? That means I can. All right, there are certain situations. It could be something that's an everyday house chore. You know, for instance, if you live with your family or maybe a roommate, 有的时候家里呢缺一些东西，可能就会说，哎，能不能帮我买一下那样子？
对。
或下班回家帮我去便利商店或超市买一个东西。对对对。So this could be something very light, right? Just asking for help to buy something to stock up the house. So let's go ahead and use that as our subject, our theme for this edition. 最会容易没有的东西在家里，我觉得啊是卫生纸。How do you say tissue paper? 卫生纸。
卫生纸。
卫生纸 That's 卫生纸 okay? Tissue paper.
那海陆腔卫生纸
That's a different dialect for saying toilet paper. 卫生纸 Alright, so you might ask someone to go to the supermarket to get it for you, right? 可能要去超市买一下哈。超市 a supermarket. How do you say that?
超市。
超市 okay? And some other things that people might pick up at the supermarket. 有的时候也会叫人家说，哎，帮我买一罐牛奶回来，对不对？ How about let's teach you how to say milk? 牛奶。
牛奶。
牛奶。Okay, that's milk. Let's make a phrase out of this. And since I was just talking about how we run out of tissue paper quite often, 我们就干脆用卫生纸来当这个我们的教学的这一句，好不好？
好。
就是家里没卫生纸了。We ran out of toilet paper at home.
屋下冇卫生纸诶。
屋下，那是家里的意思哦。屋下 is you know, your house.
冇
that means 没了。
没有。
Ran out of
卫生纸诶。
卫生纸诶。
屋下冇卫生纸诶。
屋下冇卫生纸诶。Okay, that means we ran out of toilet paper at home. All right, let's review all these phrases right here. These terms. 卫生纸。
卫生纸。
卫生纸 Again, that's toilet paper. Then the supermarket. 超市。
超市。
超市 And finally, milk. 牛奶。
牛奶。
牛奶 And it's all about asking someone for a favor to pick up something to, you know, give us some help. Can you help me with this?
做地老矮，天数一下么？
做地老矮，天数一下么？ And there you go, all about practical Hakka here on ICRT.
什么大家？
俺自say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.